Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In my previous video, I gave you the proof of De Morgan's Theorem 1. And in this video, I am going to give you the proof of De Morgan's Theorem 2. As you know that De Morgan's theorems are used in Boolean Algebra and they are very useful to reduce Boolean expressions. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see the proof of De Morgan's Theorem 2. Friends, before digging into the solution, let us see what is De Morgan's Theorem 2. It is a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. I will take the help of a truth table. So firstly I will draw the truth table for a plus b bar. AB, I wrote all the combinations 0001, 1011 and here I wrote the decimal values from 0 to 3. And these are the corresponding values for a plus b bar. So only here the value is 1, all others are 0. Now I will draw the K-map for it, similar to the solution that I have given for De Morgan's Theorem 1. So whenever A and B are 0, 0, the value is 1. When they are 1, the value is 0. When A and B are 2, value is 0. When A and B are 3, the value is again 0. So here we will have only one term in the final expression having two variables in it. So as you see, it is 1 here. It will be a bar into b bar. So a plus b bar is equal to a dot b bar. Hence De Morgan's Theorem 2 is proved. Friends, now I have a question for you. You have to tell me what is distributive law in Boolean algebra and you have to give me the proof of it. And if you know it, please write it down in the comment section. Otherwise, I will reveal its solution in the upcoming video. And with this, I am going to end this video session. I hope that this will be quite informative for all of you. If you also like this video session, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also, we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.